Hello Twitter users, welcome back to another video from How Logical, where we bring you latest tips and tricks to elevate your digital experience. In this video, we will show you how you can DM someone on Twitter. Follow this step-by-step guide and watch till the very end to learn how to do so. Begin by opening the Twitter application. Then when the app opens, you can see an envelope on the bottom right of the screen. Tap on it. This will lead you to your inbox. If you want to write a message, click on write a message. Type the name of your friend, then go to write a message. Type your text, then you can send it by clicking on the plane icon like this. So that's it. But remember, when you're messaging someone, then the person whom you're messaging should follow you and you should follow them back. But some people might have their settings enabling message from anybody, which is a different case. So that's it. This is how you DM someone on Twitter. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more informative videos like these, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.